Hello Leo, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to read the cards for you for the month of November 2020. We will see what are the energies for you, of your partner, you, and what is your boss talking about to you, what is your colleagues talking about to you. So that's what I see, I am going to read in this card. This is a generic reading. We will try and cover up and touch upon all the areas of your life as much as we can in this reading. Also, we will also give you one love relationship advice, and we will pull two special cards for you, which are your relationship cards. And we will take two advices, which will summarize 2 weeks per card. So this one card will summarize your first and second week of November in relationships, and the second card will summarize the third and the fourth week of the relationship, right? So let me pick two cards for you quickly, and then we will start your reading for the month of November 2020. Along with that, before we start, I would like to share my contact numbers with you. So you can reach me on 918448901791 for your personalized readings. You can telegram me, you can WhatsApp me, you can email me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com. You can visit my website www.blossomlifetarot.com. Also, Leo, if you want to heal yourself, you're looking for healing crystals, healing jewelry, healing bracelets, then you can visit our store on Google. You can just Google Blossom Light Tarot products, and then you will see them there. So this is how we have our presence now in terms of your crystals also, which will fulfill your crystal needs as well. So let me know, reach out to us, and we will try and fulfill your orders as soon as possible. And here we are, now ready with these two cards for you, Leo. This is summarizing your first and second week, and this one is summarizing your third and fourth week. Okay, so let's get ahead and see your energies. And first of all, I am going to start your reading with your fairy card, and we will see what is the theme of the month, which fairy is blessing you in the month of November 2020. And here we are, wisdom. Leo, if I'm correct, this the same card had come in your reading the last month, October. Okay, and wisdom has come in again, because your wisdom will be required by a lot of people. You act beyond your ages. So if you are 5, you might act like a 10-year-old kid. If you are 20, you will act like 25 years old of a woman or a man. So this is how you are projected in the month of November in front of everyone. That's something which is required in this month, Leo. You need to use your wisdom. You need to use your brains to apply to situations to get the final outcome, so that you do not go any unethical way or unnecessary things you don't pick up in your life, which will impact your life in later. Let's start with the very first week of your life in November, and let's see what are the energies. Okay, all right. This is the third week. I have smile on my face, and I have a reason for that, and I will tell you that certainly, obviously. Okay, and these are the two cards which are summarizing the relationship here. So let's get ahead. Oh, what have you done in October? I have a question. Why? Because the death card has come in. A lot of signs, they were given opportunities by universe. Opportunity in terms of changing their lives, accepting the ways the universe was giving them, but maybe you did not explore that way, or you did not want to go that way because that was too hard to follow. But if you did not, it's very hard, because universe is going to push its decision now on you, and will be a forceful decision. You will have to do it now. You will do it now in this month. The King of Pentacles is appearing in your reading, and I think the month of this month, specifically November, is going to get some kind of relationship in your life. And if it is a partner, it's going to be a very fierce relationship. I say that. This person's emotions are missing, so this person is more materialistic, money minded. That's what I call him, and you might get into this kind of a person, with this person in a relationship, or you will move out of a relationship with this kind of a person. So both ways, it's a final decision making thing happening in your life in the month of October. month of November, sorry. And with that, the next week is bringing happiness in your life. So since you were not ready for happiness yourself, the universe has just now decided that it will bring happiness in your life, and second week is going to be a beautiful week for you from a happiness perspective. Child energies, happiness energies, and emotional stability is also coming your way. There is a possibility for few of you wherein you will now find happiness in your kids. So second week is bringing happiness in terms of your kids energies towards you. You're finding emotional stability via your kids activities in your life. The sun, the death, everyone is there in your reading, Leo. What have you done? Okay, so second week, talk about those energies. Beautiful energies. If you were going through some kind of a pain, any problems, those are going to be like a past kind of a thing now. And November will bring a new start for your life, new things which are coming in your life. You will be a new person altogether, Leo, and that's a beautiful thing which is happening with you. Isn't it wonderful? Now, as I said, I'm going to summarize first and second week's emotional feelings for you. Uh, and what is required from you from a relationship perspective is faith, trust. You do not trust your partner, and because of trust issues only, you maybe had fallen out of the relationship for some reason. But I think now you will have to work towards your trust factor. You don't trust people easily, and you will have to now learn that. Learn trusting people. Not everyone is a backstabber. Not everyone is a cheater. Not the entire world, obviously. You will still have people in the world who will be like loyal partners. So you can focus on those energies. Learn from your past. Remember, I told you wisdom fairy had come in your reading, and why has she come? She's telling you that you need to work towards your wisdom. You need to work with your wisdom, apply your learnings towards your future so that you don't repeat the mistakes of your past. That's very important. Now, can you relate both the cards together? The fairy cards, your theme of the month card, then your relationship card. It is making a story here for you. The story moves to the third week. And in the third week, it talks about some financial gains. So if you had invested somewhere, I'm not saying these are going to be drastic, benefits. You invest 1 rupee and you get 100. No, maybe if you had invested 10 rupees, you might get 15 in that situation. So financial gains are happening here. Financial possibilities are there. Also, along with that, I think the third week also gets you an upper hand on your enemies. So if you have competitors, if you have people who are like in your opposition, you will always have an upper hand on them, and you will win any kind of a negative fights you have with them very, very positively. So that can certainly happen here. I see that happening. You have an upper hand here. You have an upper hand on everything. Now, since you have an upper hand and you're fighting against a lot of people, so many people, do you think what is the possibility that since you're pushing these people right now, will they fall back or will they really, overpower you? Now, I'll have to introduce the last week here now for you. And it says what? Hey, listen, you fight back. Universe is backing you. Universe is certainly backing you because you're going to reach your destiny very soon. Whatever you want to implement for which you're fighting here in the last week, third week of November, that is going to reach to the final stage of completion in the last week of November. So that's a very good and positive energy, Leo. You can start enjoying it. Okay, because this situation is going to bring you a lot of positivity. It will make you a new person altogether. You will feel like that the person you were, you're not now. So it's a new you which has emerged now, Leo. I advise you, a lot of you who are going through relationship troubles right now and who have not got along well with their husbands or maybe their wives, and they are being separate ways right now. I think last week of November and third week of November will give you a chance of reunion. So the things you were missing in your relationship, you will that will turn out to be two things in your life now, that will turn out to be beautiful things in your life now. and your manifestation, your prayers will be answered by the angels, and you will become a positive person in November because the relationship is moving towards a positive direction. So, very beautiful energies, very nice energies. Your relationship is moving towards positivity. You have positive cards. Most of the cards are positive for you, so not a very troublesome kind of a month for you. It's a very beautiful month, very nice month. So don't worry. And take care of yourself, take care of your family, do well in life, be positive, reach me for your personalized readings. Do visit the Blossom Light Tarot products on Google. You will find them there. You can order it from there, or you can WhatsApp me if you're not able to. So thank you so much. Take care and God bless you guys.